What's up, guys? It's Trav and Jay. We are. I literally have no idea. We came to this random bridge in the middle of nowhere. What we're going to do today is we're going to go out here. We're going to magnet fish a little bit. There's like kind of just a normal bridge going through the road. Then there's actually an old bridge like right next to it. So we're actually going to kind of magnet fish around this whole area and just see if there's anything here. Don't know if there'll be anything, but hey,
Yeah.
we'll try it. It's just me and Jordan today, so it's kind of weird.
First time in a while.
First time in a long time, it's just me and him out here recording. It's kind of cool. So we're going to get out here and see what we can do, guys. Alright, guys, we are walking up to the first bridge. As you can see.
Rocking.
Yep. Jordan's rocking his Crocs, as always. So, we're going to get out here, though. We're going to see what we can find. We're on the first bridge. We're also about to get ran over. What? Alright, let's go back there first then. Alright, so we're going to go back here and check out this old bridge. We're going to hopefully not get killed. I'm a little scared.
Old jacket somebody left here.
Whoa. What the? So I'm guessing this used to be the old road that went to this bridge. I'm assuming. And I'm assuming this is it. I can't see. If I fall, it's your fault, Jordan. Oh, there's a nice pass up here. Oh, hey, there's a lot better pass. Nope. Well, it's kind of a nicer pass. It'd been easier. Alright, so here is this really old bridge. Pretty freaking cool. Holy crap. I'm a little scared. I hope it supports us. But we're going to walk across it. That's awesome. Pretty cool. I'm taking it nice and slow just because it's really old. Just want to make sure it supports us. I would hope it does. It's a lot of metal and concrete and we don't weigh that much. Lots of shotgun shells. That's not sketchy. There's something from Hogwarts hanging on the thing. What's in there, Jordan? Check it out. What's in there? Is there anything in there?
Swart? I'm scared to open it. What if I get, like, a spell put on me?
I thought it said Hogwarts.
What does this mean? Swart?
What does Swart mean? What does that mean?
I'm scared.
Is there anything in it?
I can't see.
Anything in it?
Nothing. We should put something in here.
We should. I don't have anything on me though. But that's shotgun.
Okay. So, the next person will come here, we'll get a shotgun shell out of the bag that we're leaving here.
Oh yeah, see that's the actual bridge that people drive over there. So, like I said, we're gonna do a little magnet fishing. I don't know if we're gonna find anything, but I don't know.
Oh, there's a fish.
Oh, it's a gar. There's a cool little black gar down there. Huh. That's cool. I have my bow in there. I can shoot that.
You see Travis's new little nifty
Yeah.
untanglers for our fishing, or magnet fishing lines.
Yep. Really high technology, ingenuity or whatever here.
Is it a piece of wood wrapped in duct tape?
It's actually cardboard.
Cardboard, okay.
Okay. That's nice and tight. Alright. Here we go. Oh my god. It's gonna be so hard not to hit that. Oh my gosh, that does a spider. I about had a heart attack. Alright, true test if I can get past the metal here. Oh, I got it. I didn't find anything. Okay. We'll go over to the actual bridge. We'll see what we can do over there. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to go out. Oh my, that looks muddy. Huh. What's your plan, sir? You know. Oh, I see. Genius! Nice! Okay. They're spiders. Alright guys, we are now on the main bridge. Oh look, hey, there's a volleyball down there. Look at the volleyball.
I'm gonna look at that.
What?
I'm gonna look at that.
Oh, it's just right there.
Volleyball, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Good idea. Volleyball. Don't tell me what to do.
Volleyball?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we found a bunch of shotgun shells over on the old bridge. A bunch of 9mm shells on the new bridge.
Maybe they were fighting each other.
Yeah, I think they're having a shootout. Gang style. Oh, I got something. Oh, it's a bullet. Wow, that's an old one. Okay, well, I can't see the scratch up, but we pulled up some kind of bullet shell.
And we found a volleyball.
I did find a volleyball. You can have that in your... Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, you can have that in your ending video, but never mind.
I got that on video.
What's going on, guys? It's Trav and Jay. We are on our way back from our little magnet fish trip. Didn't really find a whole lot out there.
Nope.
But it was a pretty cool bridge. The old bridge was really neat to see. It's kind of cool seeing that. We did find a couple little things. We found an old bullet shell. Jordan found a soccer ball. They kicked back into the water. Volleyball, my bad. It was a volleyball. And we found a couple of other small pieces of metal. We kept finding, felt like we kept hooking on the big stuff out there, but we couldn't seem to bring it in. But that's just one of the bridges. We have like, I can't even tell you how many bridges I have marked for us to go magnet fish at. So that was just one of them. Stay tuned to our little magnet fishing bridge series as we go through and find a bunch of other places to magnet fish at. But till next time, guys, keep it real.